Hello everybody, welcome back to Vidyasagar Classes YouTube channel. So if you want to succeed in your job interview, so Vidyasagar YouTube channel is your destination. So in today's video we are going to discuss one of the most frequently asked question in job interviews: in which position you want to see yourself after 5 years. And this question often determines the difference between your success and failure. So if you want to succeed, you have to answer this question properly. So 5 things you need to keep in mind before answering this question. Why job interviewer asks this question, and how you are going to answer, and how to relate the interviewer's expectation and your potential. And your overall personality will reflect in your thinking pattern, in your futuristic approach. Whether you want to move on in your life or whether you want to stick in that company, all these things will be determined from this answer. So friends, let us directly jump into the answer. So first I am telling you why this question is asked in the interview. I think the reason behind asking this question is that the interviewer wants to ascertain whether you are a long-term prospect in this company or you just doing this job for the sake of some part-time engagement. This is the number one. And number two, from your answer, the interviewer will be able to decide your work ethics, your work culture, whether you are ambitious and want to make it big in your life or you are just another person. So you have to come up with such an answer which will not only appeal to the interviewer but also make sure your prospect of getting selected will become much higher. So let us see how we can answer this question. I think you can answer it in 3 ways. The first thing, you should say that after 5 years I want to be in this company in a much senior position and I will be able to win the trust, respect and the belief of the top management, and I will be a part of the top management, and I want to be in this position in a much strongly and in a respectable way. This is the first thing you should say, that you will be in this company after 5 years. That will actually give a very positive impression for you for the interview. The second thing, you must give an impression as a person your skill level will improve a lot after 5 years, because you know, in this rapidly changing technological era, if you don't keep yourself up to date with the latest advancement in technology, skills and personality growth, so you will say that you will acquire different skills that is required to succeed along with your existing skills. For example, you will be a better, suppose you have gone there as a counselor, so you can develop your skill in counseling through some online courses. Suppose you have gone there as a manager, you can be able to generate more leads and translate them into admission, so that your contribution will be a major factor in the revenues generated for that particular organization. So the second answer, that you should up to date and improve your skills a lot. That will actually help you to win the confidence of the interviewer. And the third answer, after 5 years, that you should be in a position so that you will become financially independent and astute. And in order to be financially independent, you will achieve your growth with the growth of the company. If the company will become financially independent, you will become financially independent. So you have to come up with such an answer so that you will make the company's growth a lot. So in order to be financially independent, obviously you are expecting a much higher salary and you are trying to plan your life accordingly. There are 2 types of people who make certain growth and they just fade into their life, and other people who planned in a better way, they planned in a systematic way. So after 5 years they stand in a very healthy position in their life, financially, socially and mentally. So if you give such an impression to the interviewer that you want to become financially independent, interviewer will obviously impressed and he will shift the question to some financial question which you should be come up with the and prepared answers, and you will be able to answer them properly. So this question I hope you answer in your interview, and I am pretty sure after hearing your answer you will definitely get selected. And if you want to know such questions for your interview, please subscribe the Vidyasagar YouTube channel, the channel where you can get all the answers for your job interview. So I think this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.